MightyOxTrading presents another prop firm discount announcement.
Stop what you're doing, everybody. We're being flashed. We're having a flash sale. Apex Trader Funding. You knew they couldn't go too long without a sale, right? Well, guess what? You are right. Apex Trader Funding flash sale starts now, March 2nd, 8 p.m. Eastern Time. I'm sorry, 9 p.m. Eastern Time. That graphic is wrong, but now, it's now. If you're seeing this video, it's valid. Until March 7th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Time. That time I know is right. 80% off all accounts, lifetime discount. So discount till you pass or you cancel. 80% off every month until you do one of those two things. That means the 25K account, $29.40. 50K, $33.40. 75K, $37.40. Notice how these all end in 40s. $41.40 for the 100K, $59.40 for the 150K, $103.40 for the 250K, 300K account. The big one, just $131.40. The static drawdown, the 100K. That one, your cheapest option, at $27.40. Remember, you can do this for up to 20 accounts. 20 accounts max is what you're allowed to have at any one time with Apex. So if you already have some Apexes laying around, you have some in the corner, you threw some in a drawer somewhere, you're only allowed 20 total. So keep that in mind. Don't go buying 20, trying to buy 20 more when you already have 3 that you forgot about somewhere else. So just that quick video tonight with this Apex flash sale. It's a quick one this time, only 5 days. Get it before it expires. Probably be the last one until maybe the end of the month or Easter, maybe April Fool's Day. Take advantage of it while you can. And, of course, follow us on social media. Discord. Discord always has every prop firm discounts. And, of course, follow me on streaming. 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Monday through Friday. Trading live. Sometimes we even trade an Apex account. Join the herd if you haven't. Hit that like button if this sale announcement was helpful to you or you enjoyed my playful banter. Till next time, bye.